guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another look. I think I'm going to try these two colors combined. The last time I did the two colors combined, it looked really nice. But the last time that I used this one, I wasn't too fond of the look. So I'm going to try just to play with makeup again, to get comfortable with meshing colors and eyeshadow palette colors and lip colors together. I'm gonna be using the same products that I've been using in my last 3 or 4 videos. Nothing's changed. I haven't bought anything new, so that's what it is. The only difference is, one second, sorry, I just needed water. The only difference is, going forward, I'm gonna start my videos with my eyelashes on because I struggle to put them on, child. Struggle. They are on. They are on. Like, why do I speak like that? Okay, they're on. Okay, that's what it looks like. What number is this? This is number 800. The one in my previous videos, I think, are 802. They're a little bigger and voluminous. But these are baby eyelashes compared to what I see other women wear. I'm still new to this. I still like a clean, smooth face. It is what it is. So anyways, we're about to start this and we'll see what look we come up with in the end. Let's go. Okay, so I am done. I am not mad at this look. I just put my hair down just a little bit, put on some earrings, okay? So anyways, I went off camera just to fix up. I just added a little more gold to it so you could see it. I'm not mad at it. I actually like the lip color. So for me, just to give you right, so for me, I actually like it. I'm not mad at it. So now it's really and truly just working out the lip color to match the eyeshadow, and I think the only thing that goes with that is practice, especially for me because I am an amateur. But I like the neutral look. I really do. Like, right? Doesn't look like I'm wearing makeup. Look gorgeous. It is what it is. But that's it for this video. Oh my god, I keep playing with my hair. But anyways, okay, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.